A video circulating on social media from nomination day shows one political candidate in discomfort under the heat of the sun. The issue raises fresh concerns about the workload and health of politicians in the intense campaign. Dwayne Anderson spoke with members of the leadership of both major parties, and filed this report.
From around 9 a.m. each day, some politicians can be seen going door to door, street to street, and parish to parish, trying to shore up votes. The closer the election gets, those activities culminate each night with a political rally, meaning some politicians could work for upwards of 16 hours each day.
Thursday I did 180 at medicals in Eastern Westmoreland, and Friday 119, and then I headed to Kingston Friday night. Got stuck in traffic on Spur Tree for 3 hours, didn't get in until about midnight, and then by 6:30 Saturday morning we had to be here to head out to Clarendon and go around, get back from Portland this morning at 1 o'clock. So it is strenuous.
According to medical experts, most adults need 7 to 9 hours. Some, however, may need as few as 6 hours or as many as 10 hours. The minimum 6 hours of sleep at this time is a luxury. 10 hours is impossible. Dr. Tufton can attest.
I get up very early in the mornings, and for the first couple of hours, that's my time. And it's very early, 4:30. But it may be 6 for you. So I encourage that, because state of mind is a kind of emotional, psychosocial place that you need to be in. And that is important.
So by any metric, some of these politicians are not resting properly and are under serious physical and mental strain. Some turn to drinking while on the campaign trail as a coping mechanism.
We do have the tendency, because of the active lifestyle, to engage in social consumption and drinking included, and that is a temptation. There are a few of us who stay away from that. That doesn't include me, because I do take my little drinks now and then. The issue now becomes how you control that, because that can get you can get carried away, because with stress, when you're under pressure, it's one of the ways where you think you can relax.
Dr. Tufton also shared tips for politicians to use as the workload piles on and they start to even miss meals.
When you're on the road, you tend to eat anything that you can find, and it can be very difficult. So if you have to pack a little snack and take with you, or just stick with some nuts and so on, then that helps.